get coffee.
I know, I love coffee so much, especially the pumpkin spice.
Man, I love the fall.
I know, this time of year is so beautiful with all the leaves.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Driving through heavily wooded areas this time of year can be risky. Watch out for deer. Deer collisions are a major fall driving hazard.
This is my car, right?
Yeah, we're gonna run through some helpful tips to avoid hitting a deer. First, know where deer are more likely to be. Areas with higher population are usually marked by these bright yellow signs. You'll find them grazing in open fields or wooded areas, and they're usually more active during dusk or dawn.
Is that pumpkin spice?
Oh yeah. When driving at night, use those high beams. No, not right now. Use them when needed for extra visibility. This will help you spot a deer or anything else lurking alongside the road. And if a deer does cross your path, don't swerve. Sometimes hitting a deer causes less damage than swerving to avoid it. For more on these tips and what to do if you do hit a deer, visit our blog on erieinsurance.com.
This is my car, right?
I'm pretty sure this is the one we started in.